Imagine waking up tomorrow morning, walking to your job, and realizing that you're no longer needed. It's not because you did something wrong. It's because a machine, faster and cheaper, does the same job now. The AI and robotics revolution is flipping the world of work upside down. In this video, I'm going to tell you about 10 jobs that are most likely going to be eliminated within the next decade. Number 10. Basic accountants and clerks. Smart accounting software is automating everything and reducing the need for basic human data clerks. Number 9. Stock and advertising photographers. With AI-generated images, brands can create any image they want in seconds. No need to hire a photographer. Number 8. Mail sorters and simple delivery staff. Automated logistics and drones are already taking over these roles. Number 7. Basic news reporters. AI news writers can produce articles faster than a reporter even gets to the scene. Number 6. Assembly line workers doing repetitive tasks. Smart industrial robots are running modern factories with minimal human input. Number 5. Typists and data entry personnel. AI can now read, interpret, and process data automatically, without a human in the loop. Number 4. Bank tellers. From loans to money transfers, everything is going digital with financial AI replacing human tellers. Number 3. Taxi and truck drivers. Self-driving vehicles will soon be common on our roads and take millions of driving jobs with them. Number 2. Call center operators. AI voices are so realistic now, you might not even realize you're talking to a bot. And the number 1 most endangered job, cashiers at stores. Self-checkout systems and mobile payments are making them obsolete. But don't be afraid. Whenever a job disappears, new ones emerge, from AI engineering to robot maintenance. The real question is, are you ready for the next chapter? Is your job on this list? Let me know in the comments. If you're curious about what the future holds, make sure to subscribe to my channel.